The female fridge number one is probably one of the weirdest one shots I've ever had the misfortune of reading. It's about a woman who wakes up and finds out she's been turned into a fridge. It sounds weird, but not that bad, right? You'd be absolutely wrong, because it also happens to be horny as hell. She couldn't just be the fridge of some random person. She's been turned into the fridge of her crush. And let me tell you, she couldn't be happier. She lets you know in every single panel how happy she is. Please fill me full of your milk, senpai.